Case has been in the state for about 25 years in one variation or another, and we are the statewide information and advocacy resource for out-of-school time programs. Those are all the programs that youth participate in before school, after school, summer, and during school break time. A quality after-school program has a variety of activities. Some have STEM focuses, some have art focused, some have a variety of choices that the youth can participate in, some have a strong academic focus. They all enable youth to have enriching, hands-on experiences outside of the classroom. Cox has been a long-time partner and supporter of out-of-school time programming and AZ Case specifically for almost 15 years now. But we specifically started focusing on STEM in 2012. We saw a real push in the community for youth to have more STEM skills. And so in 2012, AZ Case and Cox partnered to offer what we call a STEM mini grant program for out-of-school time. And it enables programs who may not have the resources to start STEM activities in their after-school program to get those resources and really offer those STEM opportunities to the youth that they serve. In order to be eligible, you have to be either starting or enriching a STEM program after school or during the summer, serving youth between the ages of 6 and 18 in the state of Arizona. They can ask for anywhere between $500 and $1,500, and then depending on their needs. We've granted 61 grants since 2012 to 61 different programs who now have STEM that wouldn't have had STEM opportunities for the youth otherwise. Starting March 1st, we have an open window of about 60 days where programs can go onto our website at azafterschool.org. And it'll be right there on the homepage when the applications are open. And they tell us a little bit about the youth that they serve and what they would like to provide to them in the area of STEM and what that budget would look like. And then we work with a team of folks at Cox to select the folks that will receive the grants each year. We send them a check, and then they send us photos and reports, and we get to go and see the amazing things that they do either over the summer or the following fall. Students spend 80% of their waking hours outside of a traditional classroom. So the impact that we can make in the after-school and summer arenas are huge. And we can give youth the opportunity to find their passion, their voice, and their ability to lead so they can be the great future leaders that we need for our state and our country.
For more inspiring videos like this one, make sure to subscribe.